All right, guys, you're gonna want to watch this video to the end. I have a company that I just can't even believe it's on my scanner. It is a company that sells women lingerie, and I will trade any stock that meets my system. Even though, like, this is kind of weird. I would never expect this company to be there. It's one of the most famous companies. You probably already know about it. You'll see it in the outlets, the malls, and all that. The ticker is VSCO, Victoria's Secret. All right, so let me go into the chart and tell you guys why do I like this stock at this bottom oversold territory. It's extremely oversold. You can see right here we have hit this up lower counter channel many times, and this is why it's very important to wait for my EMA 5 time distance signal. You see how we just left this EMA 5 here? It does not mean anything if you touch this lower channel here, if you have no TD from the EMA5. If you guys are new to the channel, I look for time distance from the EMA5, at least, 6 to 7 daily candles. Right in here, we have made a massive move up. We made a massive move up at this upper counter channel. We went from a weekly upper counter channel to a bottom counter channel, and we went from a daily upper counter channel right in here. You see how the opposite takes effect. Now, we didn't think it would go all the way back down like that. This thing went all the way down from this upper counter channel just tremendously down. Okay, so this thing is extremely oversold. And I'm looking at the volume here. We have massive volume. It's not like it's died out. There's lots of volume all throughout this ticker. You can keep going on. I like to zoom through as long as it has at least over a million. I like to see that. The K value is 4.11. I always like to see under 5. That's good to see. 4.11. We're sitting at $16 right now. We're down 3% with 9 million volume. You can look at the news. There's a lot of analysts on this thing. You have, you can look at all these analysts. You have a lot of them that are hold buys, strong buys, and all that underperform. But all of them have obviously price targets higher than where it's at. So I like to first see is, what is our range to this EMA5? Do we have decent range to here, where we can make, decent money from this lower, from here to the low, the high of this is 16%. That's pretty freaking good. My bad. That's pretty freaking good. I mean, 16%, not too shabby for a bigger cap stock. It is $16. To this EMA 10, it is a 33% range. And the next thing I like to look for is there are plenty of options. They do have a lot of option chains. I like to see that. I'd like to see that there's liquidity in options. If I ever need to do cover calls, I can do that and lower my average that way. I love cover calls, and if you've been in my Discord, watch that video if you don't know how I do cover calls. It basically means you just have shares so you can lower your average when if price goes down, you still make money. You win in 3 directions. But I'm looking into this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We hit a daily mark of 6 daily candles, not touching the EMA5. This is the first time we're under 5 on the KDJ. And we have nice volume. This is looking pretty good. Our EMA 20, last time we got hit was back in 128. Anything that don't hit in 2 months is long. We're not quite there, but this EMA 10 is also due for a hit. 128 is also the last time we hit the 10, because you can clearly see that we barely missed the 10 here, this yellow line. When price barely misses it, price is going to revert to the mean. Like, you can see it barely misses it. Everything reverts to the mean, and that's why this strategy works so well. So we just had the earnings. That's good that that's out of the way. Fresh stock out of earnings. I am definitely looking for price to come up either to the 5 or the 10, and they have massive range there. As far as price, I mean, 10% would be ideal. I think 10%, put the stop loss at break even, but make sure you take some profit at 10% or even 5%. I'm not sure, this thing, it doesn't move as fast, but I don't see why we can't get 10% though. I mean, with this massive drop, I mean, we went from the upper Keltner channel. This was just back in December, guys, of last year. I mean, we were hitting targets of $48, and now we're back to 16. I mean, let's look at big massive support. Are we at any big demand zone? Well, the answer is yes, guys. On the weekly chart, you can see that there is a massive demand zone all throughout this area here. We can clearly see right in here is your demand zone. So we are coming into strong massive support. Right here is the lowest at $15. But look at this massive move up it did from 15 all the way to 24. This was a monster move right in here, in just a week time frame. These are weekly candles. So all through here is your demand zone. I am definitely very bullish on Victoria's Secret. I really like the chart. I just like the stock. The company, not so much, but I really do like the way this thing has moved. I mean, it has made really decent returns. So I'm excited. I looked at all the analysts. They have, lots of analysts on them, so that's reassuring that, their price targets are way above where this price is right now. I'm looking at my system. We have lots of EMA 5 TD. We have lots of EMA 10 TD. We have a low K value. We're drastically lower than the Keltner channel. And keep in mind, guys, when you hug the Keltner channel like this, you oftentimes get an explosive move up, all right? This is I say extremely bullish in my opinion. This is how I play bottom reversals, how to trade against the trend. Obviously, price is below the EMAs, but golly, I have not seen an oversold pattern like this in a while. Higher quality stock, over $10, lots of revenue. Thumbs up on this one. I like it. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. This is the time to lock in a lifetime of a deal, guys. Get in this community. I promise you're going to learn a lot. You're going to be a part of a community where we have lots of people finding stocks just like this. There's so many stocks out there, and I try to find the best stocks for you guys where we can make absolutely bank on these kind of plays here. And we can play with the trend, play against the trend. However, you guys, I have two different strategies for swing trading, and my day trading strategy makes money every day selling credit spreads and doing futures. You're not going to want to miss out on that strategy. If you want to subscribe, click how to subscribe right here. All you have to do is click day trade alerts, and you'll get access to everything. And I'll tell you guys everything how you do these. I have lots of education videos. Everything that you need to know, I have it there for you guys to learn. You guys are going to be buckled in, and you're going to learn a lot. If you like this video of Victoria's Secret, you're going to love all the, many stocks we're in. We just got into SES, same kind of pattern that we like to look for. This was an EMA 5 TD play, and we're making bank so far, as I think this thing is going to go up pretty big. I mean, from this area here, we're already making up 17% there, guys. But let's get tuned in. If you guys want to join, click how to subscribe, hit day trade alerts. This right here, day trade alerts. $12 a month, you're going to get a lifetime of a discount. You get my swing trades and day trades. Subscribe on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. If you're not from the US, it might charge you a little extra. Don't keep in mind, you're getting a lifetime of a discount, okay? This is going to go up in price, and if you're using an Android, you will have to use a computer, but read how to subscribe as they're having issues with Androids. But once you do that, you'll be fine to use it. If you guys have any questions, message me. All right, I'll be there for you guys. I want everyone to make massive money. Victoria's Secret. Oh my gosh, this is looking absolutely amazing. Right here, under the Keltner channel, drastically under. EMA 5 time distance, low K value on the KDJ. EMA 5 and 10 are due for a target. Extremely oversold bottom reversal type of play, guys. We went from upper Keltner channel to lower. There's no doubt about it where we can go from lower and go as high as we want. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.